If you are a landlord and the tenant is not evicting your property and the rent of the property is more than 3500, then you need to take some precautionary measures so that the property, in case the tenant is not evicting the property, then the property can get vacated in short span of time. See, the law says if you are giving your property for a period of 11 months or less, then the agreement is not required to be registered. But this is optional. I always suggest that if you are a landlord giving your property on rent, whether it is 11 month, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, you should get the rent agreement registered. The benefit is, in case of dispute, the tenant is not vacating the property, the court will consider the registered agreement as a valid, and you will get vacation of the property in short span of time. Usually in these kinds of cases, the tenant takes the plea that they have invested much more amount than the rent amount, or that he entered into the property not as a tenant by somebody else. So all these frivolous pleas taken by the tenants will not be considered by the court if the rent agreement is registered. So number one point you should keep in mind is, if you are a landlord, always get the rent agreement registered. Number two, whenever there is any kind of default by the tenant, don't waste even a single day. If he is not paying you rent, don't get into his false promises that I will pay. Immediately give him a notice of default. If he is doing something contrary to the other clauses of the agreement, like making structural changes, inducting subtenant, then also, even without wasting a single day, you should avail your rights, give him a legal notice. And in case he is not vacating the property as per your demand, that without wasting even a single day, immediately file a suit for eviction of the tenant. In case you will take all these precautions in mind, in case you file a suit of eviction against the tenant, you will get an order of eviction from the court within a period of around 3 months. You don't need to wait for 3 year, 4 year, 5 year.